Hello and welcome to Daily Salar Digital. You're watching Daily Newsprint and let's look at the updates that are making the headlines today. Hamas has extended an invitation to tech entrepreneur Elon Musk, urging him to personally witness the extent of the violence and destruction inflicted upon the Gaza Strip by Israel. The invitation, conveyed by senior Hamas official Osama Hamdan on Tuesday, follows Musk's visit to an Israeli kibbutz targeted by Hamas gunmen during the October 7 attack. Musk had expressed his dedication to taking necessary measures to curb the propagation of hatred. The fervent electoral battle in Telangana concluded, paving the way for a three-way contest between Bharata Rashtra Samiti, Congress and Bharatiya Janata Party. The state witnessed the lengthiest campaign among the 5 states that went to the polls in November. 32.6 million voters are going to decide the fate of 2,290 candidates on Thursday. The silent period has begun ahead of the crucial assembly elections, marking the last state polls before the pivotal 2024 Lok Sabha elections. The results will be declared on December 3rd for all 5 assembly states elections. On Wednesday, the 41 workers rescued from the Silkayara tunnel in Uttarakashi were airlifted to AIIMS Rishikesh for a health assessment. Following the evacuation, the workers underwent medical observation at a hospital in Chinnalisore. They were later transported to AIIMS Rishikesh in the afternoon via a Chinook helicopter. An AIMS Rishikesh official mentioned that the workers would initially be admitted to the trauma ward for preliminary examination before being transferred to the disaster ward for a comprehensive health assessment. The examination would cover both physical and mental health, and the workers will be closely monitored. Additionally, buses are being arranged to bring the relative of the workers to the Rishikesh. A senior Infosys executive in Bengaluru fell victim to an audacious cybercrime scheme where imposters posing as officials from TRAI and CBI and Mumbai police coerced him into transferring 3.7 crore rupees. Threatened with arrest for alleged involvement in various crimes, the executive residing in Whitefield reported the extortion to the cybercrime police. The case involving impersonation and financial fraud has now been handed over to the Criminal Investigation Department due to the substantial amount lost. Authorities are working to freeze the miscreants' accounts while cautioning the public against falling prey to such fraudulent tactics. Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar asserted that he has committed no wrongdoing and has solely engaged in party-related activities despite facing numerous challenges. These statements from the state Congress president came in light of the developments in Karnataka High Court concerning the CBI's inquiry into a case of disproportionate assets against Shivakumar. The High Court granted permission for Shivakumar to withdraw his appeal challenging a single judge's decision that declined to quash the government's authorization for the CBI to prosecute him in the assets case. Two brothers, Biru and Suresh, aged 32 and 35, tragically lost their lives after being struck by lightning on their farm near Hunasakatte Junction in Bhadravati Taluk. Both farmers from Goligara camp had recently harvested paddy and went to safeguard their produce from heavy rainfall. The incident was discovered when family members concerned about their absence initiated a search. Bhadravati Rural Police conducted an inspection and the bodies were taken to Bhadravati Government Hospital for a post-mortem. In pursuit of decarbonization initiatives, Adani Power Limited has announced its intention to utilize green ammonia along with conventional coal as a fuel for the 330 megawatts boiler at its Mundra plant in Gujarat. As per the company's statement, the proportion of green ammonia in the overall fuel mix will be capped at 20%. Adani Power has collaborated with IHI and KOA Japan for this pilot project, with plans to assess its potential extension to other units and stations within the APL infrastructure. On Wednesday, the BCCI extended the agreement with Rahul Dravid, the head coach of the Indian cricket team, to ensure ongoing stability after the remarkable performance in the One Day International World Cup. The team secured victories in 10 consecutive matches before facing defeat in the final against Australia. However, the announcement did not specify the duration of Dravid's extended tenure. BCCI has also extended the contract of the support staff of Team India. Well, that's it for today. For more latest news and updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital and also do engage us with the comments.